I had writer's block for a few months. The writing stopped, my creativity dropped. Almost dip out buying stock, but I simply refuse to allow myself to lose. Even though I rolled over, sometimes it hits snooze. I don't choose, I was chosen. Why prove what's already proven? I can move me, don't need to get on board with a movement. I go to AI, but really I'm a life student. I'm a student of life, don't need a studio mic. However, when I'm up on the MIC, unmistakably I rep for the NYC. Character, assassination, man, I eat a ham sandwich at the
Card it. Halfway down the lane before it lands.
That meditation, get practice on a beat that St. Croix on vacation. Low key, never trip over shit that trivial. Cause I learned to live my life by the KISS principle. I do this for the love of it, not for your amusement. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm self-motivated, I can spark my own movement. Keep it simple, stupid. I can spit lyrics on the level of Confucius. But no, I choose to keep it simple, stupid. I cop the smartphone, I found a need for the uses. But you know me, I still keep it simple. Not Soulja Boy simple, not Nas complex. Low key, you know me, no need for God complex. K-I-double-S, minimize the stress, reduce the blood pressure and the need for expensive tests. What diet should I be on? What pills should I be taking? Back in that day, fruit was a medication. Vegetation and moderation, ventilation. Reach that for the cause of more hesitation. Develop more patience, impulse spending. Got too many at the mercy of predatory lending. High bright fashion, oh we gotta have it. Complain about the planes, then spend on the baggage. We're so backwards, so much madness. Some of it tragic, some of it classic. Who are we to judge the fate of John and Kate Placate? Our reality show is no escape from the divorce rate. I do this for the love of it, not for your amusement. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm self-motivated, I can spark my own movement. Keep it simple, stupid. I can spit lyrics on the level of Confucius. But no, I choose to keep it simple, stupid. I cop the smartphone, I found a need for the uses. But you know me, I still keep it simple. TVs and living rooms, TVs.
I gotta hit a pin while holding the camera. I have to. They ain't gonna make it.
Cause television program, cause they program the visual. Too many individuals feed into the fallacy that the reality TV they see is really reality. What a tragedy, or should I say calamity. Abuse your IQ and it diffuse so gradually. Music is a commodity, quality over quantity.
I just got 2 strikes, a spare, and then another strike across 3 different lanes. Beat that, somebody that's at a professional bowling level.
I'm leaving with my honors. I can no longer work for fear mongers. I'm trying to stay sane as well as remain honest. I promise one day I'll make it the same Thomas. I do this for the love of it, not for your amusement. Keep it.
You're done already?
I choose to keep it simple, stupid. I cop the smartphone, I found a need for the uses. But you know me,